Yes, good morning. So today we will see what is the difference between sequential and combinational logic circuit, that is comparison of sequential and combinational logic circuit. So there are many parameters are there. Out of that, the 7 parameter you can write. So the first is what the definition. So what is the definition of combinational logic circuit? Output, it depends on only the present state, right? And in case of sequential logic circuit, the output is depends on present input and the past output, that is state, right? So as the memory element, second point, as the combinational logic circuit is depends on only the present input, yes, so that there is no requirement of memory, and it is depends on the past information, so that it has a memory element which is flip-flop or the latches. And the feedback path, no feedback path is there, the feedback path is present, that also you can see from over here, the feedback path is present in the diagram itself. The clock signal, the combinational logic circuit, the clock is not required. The clock is generally required in the sequential logic circuit. Then the state concept, no concept of state has a definite states are there in the sequential logic circuit. The output changes immediately with the input is changing in the combinational logic circuit, but here in the sequential logic circuit the output is changes based on the clock signal, right? The complexity you can for the combinational logic circuit is simplest one, and it is more complex. The speed is what the faster than the slower than the sequential logic circuit, and sequential circuits are slow due to the clock and the memory delay, right? So the power consumptions is low in the combinational logic circuit and high in the sequential logic circuit. And the diagram is in front of you. This is a diagram of combinational logic circuit, and this is what the sequential logic circuit. It is a combination of combinational logic circuit along with memory. And what are the example of the sequential logic, combinational logic circuit? Adder, subtractor, multiplexer, decoder, encoder. The whatever the part we have seen in the second unit, these are comes under the combinational logic circuit. And sequential के example क्या है? Counter, shift register, FSM. The third unit and fourth unit part are comes under the sequential logic circuit. So the question may be for the 4 marks in the examination, the compare sequential and combinational logic circuit. 6 to 7 point you need to write along with this diagram if you want the full out of all, right? Yes. Thanks for the watching. Thank you.